Welcome to the Simply Diagnostics video, live from the SimplyDiag Network Community Hub in bright and sunny Cheshire. You can tell by the bob hat, it ain't bright and it ain't sunny again. 2 days ago, it was shorts and t-shirts weather. What's going on with this weather? Right, we've got today, silver, grey, gunmetal grey, Vivaro C with 4 wheels, 71 plates, so that's 2021. It's come in literally with every warning light on the dash possible. An intermittent fault. You know me, normally I don't like doing intermittents, but it's for a very good customer, so we decided we'd get it in, get an assessment done. So, a little bit about the process that we go through here. The assessment is it's akin to a jigsaw puzzle. So what we're doing at the moment with the assessment, we're doing the corners and the edges of the jigsaw puzzle. What we can see here, we've done a global scan using the Bosch KTS 590. And what we can see is we're building this picture up. We can see the engine management is complaining about the steering angle sensor. The ABS is complaining about the steering angle sensor. The steering is complaining about the steering angle sensor. Can you sense there's a pattern developing here? Yeah. Steering angle sensor. Yeah, refrigerant, we're not going to worry about that just yet. Transponder, we're not going to worry about that just yet. That could be just something that's had a key coded, or they tried to put the wrong key in the ignition, something like that. TPMS, moaning about steering angle sensor. And the parking brake, moaning about the steering angle sensor. So where do you think we're going to go first? We're going to start looking at the steering angle sensor, aren't we? We're gathering evidence. Everything's unhappy about the steering angle sensor. Question is, can we communicate with it? The answer to that is yes. We've got live data recording there, up, and all I've done, I've rotated the steering wheel all the way to the left, back to the neutral position, all the way to the left, all the way to the right, back to the neutral position. That's the blue line. The red line is the rate that I'm turning the steering wheel. Okay, so that's how fast I'm turning that steering wheel. So that steering angle sensor is currently communicating with these other modules with, it's there, it's broadcasting. It's quite a high mileage vehicle list. It's a private hire vehicle, so it is quite a high mileage one. So what we're going to do, we're going to keep trying it and see if we can get it to glitch out and stop communicating. Obviously, quick check through all the bulletins, DDTSB, the bulletins that are on the KTS, any bulletins on all data. We'll go through the diagnostic trouble code descriptions, how that fault code is logged, and what are the conditions for setting that fault code, and what are the conditions for that fault code becoming not current anymore. So that's what we're doing. We'll then move on to the further testing. We've got to start taking trims off and looking at, frontline information. So we'll get the scope on it, see what's going on there. All these other modules are all communicating via CAN, or control area network. So we'll actually have to get on the steering angle sensor signal wire itself and see what's going on with that there. So I hope you found this video interesting, a little bit about process. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. Any questions? Drop a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.